So to continue with the chocolate celebrations, today I'm going to be baking for you. I actually don't know what because this is not my recipe. So let me introduce you to Neetu. Everyone clap. So Neetu has got two distinct professions. One is she's a fantastic makeup artist. She's the one who does my makeup most of the time. And of course, she is a chef. And if you want to order from her, what is your handle?
The Mishti Chef.
The Mishti Chef, because she's very sweet. So what are you making for us today?
So today we are going to make something called a triple chocolate brookie.
What's a brookie?
Brookie is
It's like a cookie.
No, it's better. It's an affair.
It's an affair.
Between a brownie and a cookie.
I already love this affair.
Yeah, let's get started. You cannot not have butter.
Yeah, lots of it always.
Lots of it always.
Demerara sugar.
Yes.
Alright.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a little bit of milk. Now we're going to start adding the cocoa. This is the unsweetened cocoa powder. Pinch of
Sea salt.
sea salt.
Okay.
1 cup of dark chocolate. Half cup of milk chocolate. 18 cream biscuits. All-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All mixed and ready. We're gonna rest this in the fridge for minimum half an hour.
We're gonna have champagne before that.
So 30 minutes are up. Bring it together. So at 180 degrees, we're gonna first bake this for 10 minutes. Then reduce it to 160 for another 6 minutes. So in total 16 minutes, your cookies will be ready. Just leave it for
What do you mean by
leave it for about 10 minutes because it's also like a brownie, right?
Yeah.
So it needs to set a little bit. Best way to store is it in the fridge,
Alright.
and before eating it, just zap it into the micro for about 20 seconds and you're good to go.
Okay, we'll wait for 10 minutes till it sets this brookie of yours and then we will go for it. Oh man, this affair is good.
Affair is always good.
I have to try this recipe. The Mishti Chef.